How to change volume sensitivity of microphone in Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. From that, firstly you need to go to Start menu and go to Settings app. Or you can simply use the shortcut key Windows plus I to open settings. Once you are in the settings application, from the menu simply go to System. In System on the left hand side click on Sound. Choose the option of microphone. Then after go to device property. Now here in device property you can change the volume of the microphone. Even after that, if you are having issue in the Microsoft volume, simply go to control panel. Go to start menu and type control panel. Open the app. Then after click on hardware and sound. In hardware and sound again click on sound option. Then after go to recordings from the menu. There simply right click on the microphone and go to properties. At the top in microphone simply choose the option of 50 and click on OK. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.